The following video explains an erosion control project for a local community in Marana, Arizona. The area in question is located in a watershed behind a residential community. The landscape is barren with little vegetation. The desert ecosystem receives little water throughout the year. However, during monsoons, heavy storms affect the area, leading to flash floods and heavy runoff. The water flows down the hillside into the watershed, taking much sediment with it. Over time, deep gullies were formed, preventing the growth of large vegetation. As a result, the soil developed a high shrink and swell potential. The rocky A horizon can absorb the water quickly, yet it cannot retain it. This is due to the clay B horizon beneath it, which has a very slow rate of absorption. With no litter on the surface, moisture evaporates quickly, leaving the soil inhospitable for most plants. The best way to improve the soil structure and control erosion would be to apply the following techniques: a riprap channel for proper drainage, geomat for soil stability, and live stakes to secure the slope and introduce native vegetation. The first step in this project is to excavate the hillside, filling in any gullies and providing an even working surface. Next, a channel will be dug down the center to provide proper drainage for the system. Ripraps will be installed along the channel to decrease the flow velocity of rainwater, while also acting as a filter, cleaning out any heavy sediment. Along the sides of the channel, geomats will be hung from the top of the slope, providing stability to the soil on top. Live stakes from native shrub species will be planted against the hillside. These will then grow, helping vegetation to establish, while producing a litter layer, improving soil and water retention. When the soil is healthy, larger native plants, such as mesquite trees, can be planted. Using native species is best because they can handle the extreme weather of hot and cold and require minimum maintenance and water. The expected results will be an improved watershed with healthy soil that has lower evaporation rates. Erosion and runoff will be decreased, leading to less pollution in the water system. With the native vegetation established, the watershed can become a beautiful park for residents to enjoy and increase real estate values within the community.